We've got our corner post driven in, our 6.5 footer, so we've got our depth. We're going to lay out our 2 horizontals under the string line, going both ways. Now we're going to set both of those brace posts at the same time. Got our first brace post set. Now we're ready to set our second one, right at the joint. Always set your angle brace first, setting the lower brace. And then you can move the top of that post to get your angle just exactly how you want it, with that corner post leaning out about 1 inch. All right, we've got both the horizontal and the angle braces on. Get everything nice and level with the ground. Our system is designed so that both directions should go in between 2 of these buttons. You should be able to go both ways right there. Give you a very level, very pretty horizontal bracing. The slope has about a 10-inch drop in 5-foot horizontal. And that's about as far as you want to take it with our standard bracing. You start getting big gaps, but you will want to go to our all-terrain bracing, anything steeper than this. You can see on that corner, the left side is on basically level, but the right-hand side of that corner is on a downhill drop of about 10 inches in 5 feet. And as you can tell, that's starting to pull up on that brace post. That's as max as we ever go before we start using all-terrain bracing.